Hi everyone, Angela here. Today we are going to do another unboxing video. I splurged, and I know it's so crazy. I can't believe I've been spending so much money on plants. But I bought 4 beautiful gems that I want to share with you guys today. So I thought we would just open them together and then we can repot them together at a later date. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have to tell you the story. So I met this awesome friend, Brianna. I met Brianna through YouTube, and she told me about this plant purge on Facebook. I think it's like Plant Purge USA. Anyways, it's a Facebook group where people, and I think small nurseries go out and they sell all of their, it's like auction style, right? They sell all of their plants, and it is so dangerous. The prices are really great. You have paper shipping, which I really am not a super fan of. But anyways, I avoided doing it forever, like a week. It did not last very long. But it was so exciting to see all the plants kind of being auctioned off, and it's definitely impulse buying, which is so dangerous. But I was really I don't know, I saw a bunch of plants on this particular purge that I've never seen before. So they're kind of, I mean, I've been around, I know plants, but I didn't recognize a lot of these, and there weren't people buying them, and so I feel like I scored. Anyways, I have 4 really nicely planted, or boxed up plants here, so I'm not sure, they're not labeled which one is which. So I guess we're just gonna open them together. And again, I feel like every video I make, I apologize because I either have kids yelling or dogs. In this case, it's Steve who's running around. He's so happy we're home. I just got back from the office and picking the kids up from daycare. He's literally doing laps in the house right now. He's the chocolate lab, if you don't know. Anyways, so I'm not sure which plants these are. That they were sitting on my front porch since 3/11, and it's 5:30 right now. Here we are. Okay, I just uploaded my Sansevieria collection video, and here is a new one. Look at this beauty. This is a Bantle Sensation. I think I'm saying that right. Look at it. It is stunning. It's even better in real life. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves or stems. I'm not sure really what they're called. And I don't know what's in the package here. This is wrapped. It's dry. I mean, Sansevieria, I'm sure it traveled just fine. Oh, there's roots. It looks almost like bare root, but there's a little bit of soil. But this paper towel is dry. Now, these have been, she shipped them the day after I purchased. They came from Indiana. I'm in Missouri. But I think it still took 7 whole days to get here. Not cool. Okay, so this one's a little smaller than I thought, but we'll see what one is inside. This is the second. Like I said, there's 4 of them here, so hang on with me, guys. I'm gonna try to go fast. You know I'm always I'm such a talker that I would rather talk this whole time about plants. I could talk for days about plants. So thank you all for listening to me talk. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. It's smashed, but this is, it's a philodendron, and I think this one is the black cardinal. See how the leaves are so dark? The new leaf is red, it looks like. There. Black cardinal, I think that's this one. So I'm not quite sure. We'll open this other one here because that might give us a better indicator. I'm not sure, I think maybe this one, of which variety it is. So spoiler, yeah, it is also a philodendron. But I've never seen these before. I don't know if you guys have seen them before. Maybe these are really common. And I'm just kind of getting into the world of philodendrons. I think I only have like a gold, no, that's a pothos. They're so similar. I don't know. I have, oh my God, you guys. This is the Macaulay's Finale. Look at that. Yeah, so this like, oh my gosh, and there's 3 brand new leaves about to come in. This is stunning. Oh, I'm really excited for this one. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if these are common or if they are a little less common. I didn't do any of my research. It was impulse buying, so I just bought. But yeah, the black cardinal philodendron and then the Macaulay's Finale. Okay, 1 second. You want chocolate milk? Okay, so here we are. These are the 2. They look kind of similar, but they're definitely different. So we'll see how they end up potting up. Really cute. Okay, this is the last one, 4 of 4. Okay, I'm gonna get this done in 7 minutes, you guys. Watch me. Wish me luck. Okay, this one is so sturdy. Oh, I'm excited. This is the Night Owl Sansevieria, you guys. Look. Yes, and there's a baby coming in. Oh, she wrapped it up separately. Look at that. Yes. So I just loved the color of this one. It's different than any of my other ones. Look at that variegation. Woo! Oh, great. Okay, well, folks, this was it. Here's my lot. Oops. And my Bantles sensation. 2 Sansevierias, 2 philodendrons. So that's it. Thank you guys so much. I said 7 minutes. I hope you all have an awesome evening, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.